So guys, how are you? In today's video, I will show an installation of an OS named Kali Linux. Yes, I am shown this installation in 6 days ago. In this is on VirtualBox. If you want to install on VirtualBox, you can check out this video. I will give an I button. And today, which I will show, this will be installation on VMware. VMware is an alternative platform like VirtualBox. We can run our Kali Linux in virtually in VMware. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First, open your web browser. I am using Google search engine because it is very common search engine. Search VMware download for Windows. You search this one. The first link which will arise here, you can see this is the Pro one. If you want to continue with Pro edition, you can go with this, but free edition is perfect for use. You can I will recommend you to if you are a beginner, I will recommend you to download the free edition. Click on this free edition. You will go to the official website of this VMware. Let's scroll down. Here you can see try workstation Steam player for Windows. Download. It will start downloading. Okay guys, only you save it. See guys, see, it has started downloading. Let me to cancel it because I doesn't want to do. I have already downloaded. After continuing this, you have to do only do next and install. Okay, okay guys, I think you have now installed your VMware. Okay, now the second work you have to do, subscribe my channel guys, do it please. Okay, now the third work we have to do, that is we have to download Kali Linux. Search Kali Linux. The first website here you can see www.kali.org. Okay guys, I will give the all the link in description once you check it out. Here you can see the most advanced. This is the his entry page. Click on download. After clicking on download, here you can see barrel meter, virtual machine. There are many more. We will download barrel meter because it is an all-rounder. Let's scroll down little bit. Here you can see guys, there is net installer. Net installer is for I how much I know, this is for mobile Android device. And installer, this is for we will do ISO, this will be. And weekly I didn't know. And let's click on here. You can download from torrent also, you can download from 2.9 GB whatever. Click on here, it will start downloading. Okay guys, here you can see it has started downloading. Let me to pause it because I have already having this also. Okay, okay guys, now I am considering okay guys, Kali is available for 64-bit and 32-bit both. I will recommend to download 64-bit because it is better. Okay, our Kali has installed, our VMware is installed. I think you have subscribed my channel also. Now we are ready to rock and roll for installation of Kali. Oops. See guys, here my VM workstation 16 player. Let me to open it. Okay guys, here you can see the first look will be like this. Only here you can see some machines are there. Kali, Kioptex, Windows 11. Do not consider at this because these are the machine which I have created already. Leave it all. Now we will first thing you have to do after entering the VMware, that is create a new virtual machine. Click on here. Here you can see this option, I will install the operating system later. Click on here. Next, type Linux version. Here you will select, by default it will be Ubuntu. You have to select Debian 10.x 64-bit. This one you have to select by default. Then click on next. Here you have to give your name. Give your name Kali Linux. Now browse the location where you want to save the file. Guys, consider I want to save the file in my virtual tab. this let me to create a folder. Okay guys, like this you can create a folder, make a new folder if you want. Click on select that folder and click on OK. After clicking on OK, this kind of thing will happen. Click on next. Here you can see the 20 GB. 20 GB is not minimum, 25 GB is the minimum storage you can give, but I will recommend to give 50 GB of storage because it is needed. And here you can see store virtual disks as a single file and split virtual disks into multiple files. I will advise to split virtual disks to the multiple files because I doesn't want to say because what you can do like this. And here you can see the hardware settings. Okay, we can change it later on. Click on finish. After clicking on finish, here you can see your what name you have given, that name machine will be arrived. Here you can see Kali Linux. Click on that and click edit. Here you can give your RAM how much you want to give. You can increase it. If you are having 4 GB of system storage, then give at least 2 GB to your Kali, because when you will perform any attack it will lag, your Kali will be lag. I am giving 3 GB of RAM. Okay guys, and in the processor tab here you can see by default 1. I How much I know, maximum processor come with 8 core processor. I will recommend to give 4, because normal processor come with 8 core processor, you give at least 4. Okay guys, after this here you can see this cd sorry, cd slash dvd in bracket ide auto detect. Here we will, this is very important section. Here we will do some changes. uh, Click on use iso image. Now where you have downloaded your iso, select that path. By default it will be in your download folder, but I have downloaded my Kali in any other place, that's why I'm selecting that path. After selecting that path, this is the sufficient. Now click on OK. After clicking on OK, once thing you check out guys, you should sorry, you should close your Wi-Fi connection, because we doesn't want any internet connection installation. It will it may consume, I am not confirmed, may consume your high internet and I doesn't have. Now click on play virtual machine. It will start your virtual machine. See guys, let me to minimize it. See guys, here you can see uh, uh type of installation. Click on graphical installation. Here your mouse. Okay guys, here after you here you can see your mouse will not work. For if you want to your mouse work in your host system, then what you have to do, press Ctrl plus Alt. Here you can see guys my mouse 10. See guys, this black color mouse, this is my Kali mouse. And if we press Ctrl Ctrl plus Alt Alt, then you can see this is my host mouse. Okay, like this you can do. Here your mouse and keyboard both will work. Whatever you want to use that. Click on English, press enter, select your country. I am India. Use an American English because it is normal. Okay guys, now here you can see the two options. I mean sorry, not two options. Here two things we have to do. Here you can see at the bottom, click in the virtual screen. When this pop-up message will come out, what you have to do, click install tools. It is recommended for your Linux. And but at present we have not having internet connection, that I have shown you to. I have told you to close your Wi-Fi connection. If sorry if any pop-up message come up from this installation of Kali, here it says that your internet has not been detected, then what you have to do, you have to click on I do not want to configure my network. You have, there will be a option like this. In my time it has not came. Okay, and here you can see this bottom, you can download it later also. You download this, but I am not having internet, that's why I am remain me later clicking on this. And here you can see the configure the network. What this will be the your meshing name, Kali name, what you want to give. I want to give the meshing name Windows, because I like this. I want to give my host name as Windows. I will explain you later on terminal. And if you are having domain you can add, but I doesn't recommend. Click on continue. Here you can see the setup user and password. Here you have to give your name. Here it is saying give your full name, but only you give your half name only. Click on continue. Here it is saying you want to create an user account. In Windows, just like we have the user account, we in Linux also we have to create user account. This will be our default user account. Here you can see Soham. Click if you want to change the name, you can change it here. I want to create this user account only, this name user account. Now here you have to give your password. uh, Here I have given a easy password. Okay guys, here I have given a easy password, but you at least give 6-digit password. Password is needed when you will log in your to your Kali. Password is needed. Then click on continue. Setting up the clock, getting the time from the network time server. It will take time. For that I am pausing the video. Okay guys, here you can see the partition disks. And the partition disks tab, here you can see these 4 type of options are there. What you will do, you will click on manual, continue. Here you can see this how much this SCS11 name may be changed in your section, but how much space you have given, you have to remember that only. How much space you will give, at least 3 GB of space it will increase and show in my section. Click on that. Your hard disk, you can understand it by giving the how much space you have given. Click on that and click continue. Click on yes, continue. Here you can see free space. Click on free space, continue, create a new partition. Here you have to do 5 no 5 GB is sufficient. Give 5 GB, continue. Primary, beginning. Here you can see the users. In the users you have to double click on swap area. Click on continue. Done setting up the partition. Click on continue. And the rest space, here you can see the free space. Click on that and click continue. Create a new partition. Give the entire space. Click on primary. Click on primary and click continue. And here you can see, okay guys, let me to understand you 2 things. Here you can see the file partition. This is ext4. If you are familiar, if you know Windows in depth, then in Windows we normally have FAT32, NTLM, NTLM saying, I doesn't remember the name. I will give in the in the I button of that video link. I have created a video and extfat. There are normally 3 types of partition we use in our Windows. Like that only in Linux we have different kind of partitions. Here you can see use if you double click on here, the two famous partition are the ext4. You can click on ext4 and continue, or you can click on btrfs file system. The both are the famous file system. You can use any of this. For demonstration purpose, I am using btrf because this is new also, not so much new but new, considering to ext4, I think so. Now click on, you can use anyone. Here you can see so many, sorry, from FAT32 to ext4 you can use anyone, but I will recommend to btrfs and ext4. In this two you use anyone. Okay, now click on select it and click continue, and done setting up with the partition. Click continue, finish partition and write the changes. If you are familiar with the Linux file system, then you can do changes by your own also. Okay, now you have now if you want to do changes by your own, at least you have the knowledge of file system of Linux, you can do it. Okay, now leave it. Click on finish partition and the right change to disk. Click on continue. Yes, continue. Okay, this will install. Let it be installed. I am pausing the video till that much. Okay guys, here you can see the software selection. In the software selection tab, here are some tabs. You have to give tick mark and tick not. But I will recommend you, as personally I am saying, that you use xfce. This is the best. And if you want any designable decorated such kind of things, then you use gromi. Gromi is an advanced decorated things. But as a pen tester, in my more than 1.5 years experience of Kali, I have feel that gromi is better for penetration testing. I will recommend you to, this is my personal opinion, I will recommend you to click on Gromi XFCE and press continue. If you want to click Gromi, you can press Gromi also and click continue as you wish. But I will recommend XFCE. Let's click on XFCE and press continue. And rest option be left with that only, no needed of changing. And it will show an message of select and install softwares. Let it be. We are pausing the video after a few minute while. So guys, here you can see it is saying to we can install grub bootloader. Click on yes and click continue. And here you can see the dev hda. Click on dev hda and click continue, and it will install the grub bootloader. This step is very much necessary. Make sure that you have followed my step carefully. Okay guys, here you can see it as saying installation complete. Click on continue. It will reboot your system. Okay guys, in the upside tab here you can see a option in, okay, this option, this maximize one, this one, enter full screen mode. Click on this. Now give your username which you have selected. Okay guys, here you can see we have installed our Kali Linux in our ISO. Before closing, I want to show you something. Click on this left side logo and search display. Here you can see the resolution. Change it by your need. Guys, change the resolution by your need, which your desktop prefer. I am leaving the video right here. Okay, thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe my channel. Goodbye. Okay guys, before saying goodbye, how you can shut down your Kali Linux, let me to show you that also. In right hand side here you can see this circle thing. Click on here and click on shut down. It will shut down your Kali Linux. Like this you can shut down. Okay, goodbye.